What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Raina, and I'm back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, but wait, first, word on the street is that your makeup is sweating off. So I am here to give you some tips and tricks on how we can maintain our makeup when we're having some sweaty moments or we're perspiring. Because I don't like saying sweat, I glow. I don't like to say sweat. But if you like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna hop right into the video. So I want to just start off by saying all my close-up clips are blurry AF. Alright, so I am using I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 4.5. This is said to be waterproof, so that's why I'm mentioning it in this video. So I would try this product out. Now I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this primer isn't waterproof or anything, but it does aid in helping everything last longer and everything just to grip and adhere better. So that's why I'm mentioning it. So next I'm going in with concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 345. But the only reason why I'm mentioning this as well, because this concealer is not waterproof or anything, but I am layering concealers, and I feel like that will help with the longevity of your makeup. So if you do sweat, you got layers. You know what I'm saying? And it's not like thick cakey layers, it's just like the perfect amount. So now I am going in with the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation, if I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called. And then I'm going in with the Hourglass. Can't even tell you, I just looked at it, the shade, but it's something almond. I'm going in with that, and these are both said to be sweat resistant, so I would pick up these if we're having some sweat issues, you know.
Yoshi.
So as I stated before, what will help in the longevity of your makeup is layering. So I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Everything that I don't mention verbally, it will be down in the description below. So if you have any questions about that, it will be in the description, or if you have any questions about anything I use. So as I stated before, and I might say it one more time during this video, but layering is the key to longevity and long wearing makeup. So I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill. It's like a liquid to powder blush or stick to powder blush, and that's what I'm using as my first layer for my blush. Now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa, and this is said to be melt resistant as well, so it can help in that as well. This is what this whole video is about. So I would try this setting powder. I've used it multiple times. I've actually swear by this powder. It just looks, it makes your makeup look so smooth for one, and it just really does help with oil control and sweating and just looking not the best. It helps with keeping everything, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Keeping everything together. So now to set that blush, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill blush palette in Rouge Romance, and I'm using the shades Tea Room and Fancy Pants. That's so cute. This is another crucial step with this whole sweat resistant theme is baking. I feel like you definitely should be baking if you are having trouble with sweat. Now I like to load up a good amount and press it into my skin.
She took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When the treasures relax, can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her weed, she telling me Tay is the best. One of the niggas who act like a killer, but you only want from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drakes to the hood, round Drakes. Even though I got the case, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me with dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eating. Backyard it look like the garden eating. Pillows up with him, she's spilling the tea. And the shawty came back, said she didn't mean it.
Alright, and that is it, folks. I hope you learned some tips from this video or just found it somewhat entertaining. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, if y'all can please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, that would be really appreciated. I will be coming with more videos. Bye, y'all.